Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox, where I help you find the tools to build your business online and offline. Do you want to make professional images for your website or social media platform, but don't have any Photoshop experience? Today, I'm going to show you how to make professional looking images as well as Facebook group cover images using a free tool called Canva. Canva is a website that you could use to create beautiful images completely free. My example will be creating a Facebook group cover image. There are more than enough free templates that you could use to create almost anything that you want. Or you could start from scratch and just let those creative juices flow. First off, Canva is free. They try to get you to subscribe to a monthly subscription, but you don't have to do that. They'll give you more templates if you subscribe, but if you really want a paid template, you could always just buy it individually just for a few dollars. So click sign up in the top right corner of the screen. You could sign up with your Facebook account, with your Google account, or just your email address. You could use Canva to create almost any image you might need. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make a Facebook cover image. Facebook cover images could be used on your Facebook profile, a Facebook group, or a Facebook page. If you can't find a template you're looking for, Canva has a search box right below the Create a Design button. I'm going to search for Facebook cover. You can browse the templates and pick one that you like. A good way that I found to find a good template is just to search for the niche that you're in. For example, I'm going to search for affiliate marketing. So just so you know, you may find the perfect template in a completely different category, so don't just limit yourself just to your niche. So if you don't want to pay for your image at all, make sure that you pick a template that says free. You don't want to do a bunch of work on an image and then either have to start over or pay to remove the watermark. If you're following along and making an image for a Facebook group, you could add the name of the group in big text in the middle of your image. Small note, some devices crop the sides of cover images off. So I keep the text in the middle of the image. Keeping it centered will allow it to be visible on all devices. Hey, if you're getting value out of today's video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and make sure to ring the bell so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. A little tip, if you have a background that's really busy and makes it hard to see the text, so just duplicate the text, place both layers on top of each other, make sure one is a different color, and then you can just use the arrow keys on your keyboard to offset it by a few pixels. Once you're happy with your image, just hit download in the top right corner of the page. So now just pick your file type. If it's for Facebook, you can just go with the default, which is PNG. Ping PNG. Ping PNG. Ping. You did it. You now have an image you could use freely on the internet. If you were following along making a Facebook group cover image, just go to your Facebook group, go to where your cover image will be, hit upload photo, align your photo, and hit save, and you're set. Just don't forget to double check on all different devices to make sure that your image is visible in all your text. So what images are you going to create with Canva? Are there any other photo editing websites that you use that you'd recommend? Let me know in the comments.